Now it's my pleasure to introduce the demonstration pilots for the 2016 Thunderbird team. Flying Thunderbird 1, the team's commander and leader from Abilene, Texas, Colonel Christopher Hammond. Flying the left wing from Colorado Springs, Colorado, Thunderbird 2, Captain Ryan Bodenheimer. Flying the right wing from Fairfax Station, Virginia, Thunderbird 3, Major Alex Goldfein. Flying the slot position from West Point, Nebraska, Thunderbird 4, Major Nick Cabeza Gorda Krychek. Flying the lead solo from Asper, Virginia, Thunderbird 5, Major Nicholas Everling. Approaching from directly in front, your 2016 Thunderbirds and the inspirational Delta Burst.